Welcome to the AI Millionaire Movement, where we help you unlock the power of AI to create amazing content and build your success. If you want to take your video editing to the next level, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into PowerDirector's top 5 AI features that will transform your content creation game. These tools are designed to save you time, boost your creativity, and help you produce professional quality videos with ease. If you find this video helpful, please take a moment and subscribe to AI Millionaire Movement, hit the like button. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications so you'll be the first to get the latest AI strategies and insights. Your support allows us to keep bringing you valuable content to help you succeed in the fast-growing world of AI. Let's get started with AI Motion Tracking, a game-changing tool that automatically follows moving objects within your video. This feature allows you to easily add text, graphics, or effects that stay perfectly aligned with the subject, saving you hours of manual work. With AI Motion Tracking, adding callouts or annotations to moving elements is now seamless and precise. Whether you're filming action shots, sports, or a vlog, this feature ensures that your effects follow the motion effortlessly, so you can focus on the creative side of editing. Speaking of precision, PowerDirector's AI object removal takes care of unwanted distractions in your videos. Have you ever had that one person or object ruin the perfect shot? With just a few clicks, AI removes the unwanted element, leaving the shot looking flawless. After selecting the object to be removed, AI analyzes the surroundings and fills in the gaps automatically, ensuring a smooth and natural look. This feature is a lifesaver for travel content, real estate videos, or any situation where you need a clean, distraction-free frame. Now that your visuals are looking sharp, let's talk about sound. AI speech enhancement is designed to perfect your audio by automatically eliminating background noise, echoes, and other disturbances. Whether you're doing voiceovers, interviews, or podcasts, clear audio is essential to keep your audience engaged. This tool enhances voice clarity, allowing your message to come through crisp and professional, even in noisy environments. It's perfect for creators who want great audio without needing high-end microphones or soundproofing setups. If you're looking to add a creative flair to your videos, AI Style Transfer is your next must-try feature. This tool allows you to apply artistic styles like oil painting, watercolor, or even a cyberpunk aesthetic to your footage, all with a single click. It's an effortless way to make your videos stand out visually. Want to give your content a unique, eye-catching look? AI Style Transfer transforms your footage into a work of art, making it perfect for platforms like Instagram or YouTube, where visual appeal is key. Whether you want a vintage look or a futuristic vibe, this tool gives you the flexibility to experiment with different styles. And finally, no video is complete without the right atmosphere, and the premium feature AI Sky Replacement helps set the mood by allowing you to change the sky in your outdoor scenes. Whether you're replacing a cloudy sky with a sunset or adding a starry night, this feature gives you complete control over the visual tone of your video. It's as simple as selecting a new sky from a range of options, and PowerDirector's AI does the rest, blending the sky seamlessly with the existing footage. Perfect for travel content, real estate, or any video where the right sky can elevate the entire scene. With these 5 powerful AI tools, AI Motion Tracking, AI Object Removal, AI Speech Enhancement, AI Style Transfer, and AI Sky Replacement, PowerDirector helps make your content creation faster, more professional, and incredibly creative. Whether you're fine-tuning audio, removing distractions, or transforming your visuals, these features unlock new possibilities for your videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on elevating your content creation, and we will see you in our next video.